What's up, guys? I wanted to show off my new toy that I got today. I've been needing a drone for a while. I finally bought it, so I'm gonna try syncing up the sound with this camera here. It's pretty cool. It kind of stays in place and does its thing. I have the microphone going, so I'm gonna try to sync the sound up. Just let me know how these drone shots are looking and if I'm using too many of them or not. Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a very special one. Just like last week, I filmed you the green truck, the Silverado on 30s. About the same time period, I did a dually that was this color red with 30-inch Forgiatos on a 12-inch Cognito lift. The customer brought me another truck that looks almost the same. And this truck, we're doing a 12-inch Cognito with the same Forgiato wheels in 30s. But these are 30 by 16s. The last truck was a dually. So this one is a 42-inch Fury tire, 30 by 16, Forgiato. I can't remember the exact name. It's like the TXC-101, I think, but I'll have to verify that and make sure. This truck is gonna be absolutely monstrous once it's done. The only thing about it that I'm a little worried about is I had told this customer with the 16 wide wheel that we're gonna need a bigger lift kit for this truck. The dually doesn't have any offset, so the wheel doesn't stick out in the front. It makes it clear a lot better. This truck having the 16 wides on it, we're gonna have to cut quite a bit, so be prepared for this front bumper to be cut. And then also in the back here, this mud flap will definitely go away. There'll be some trimming into the fender there. Overall, yes, the truck will look awesome once it's done, and it will still get an excellent amount of likes on the videos and pictures of it. So I think it'll look cool. You know, I'm not real big on the truck being too tall for the tires and wheels, and with a Chevrolet, you have to have it too tall for it to not be cut. So it's either put a small lift on it, cut it, make it look proportional, or put too much lift kit on it and it looks crazy. But I personally like it better like this, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. This one's definitely gonna be cool. Thank you for watching. Corbin, tell me. And you, what are you at, 6'3"? You're about 6'3", right? 5'4". That tire about 5 foot tall. Well, this massive truck is ready to go today. Well, close to being ready to go. There's a couple of little small kinks we got to work out on it. Tell me what you guys think. 30 by 16s. I mean, it's really hard to top this right now because that's the biggest tire and wheel that you can get in the business that we're doing right here. So 12-inch Cognito looking good as usual. Got the Fox shocks on it. Thing's amazing. I have to wrap this up quick. It's getting busy up front. So once again, details on the truck. It's a 2021 Silverado 2500 Texas edition. We did the 12-inch red color match Cognito. The color of powder coat that we used on this one is called Red Wheel from Prismatic. Very, very close to the paint on the truck. You know, it looks really, really nice. The Forgiatos are 30 by 16s. It's the TXC. I think it's the 101, but it might be the 103. I'll have to just go back and look. The tires, of course, we did the 42 1650/30 Furies. Best tire you can get on the market for anything 26 plus on the wheel size. Looks absolutely amazing. Did the Cognito upper control arms with the kit. The Fox Reservoir shocks on it. And of course that amazing cross member. Thing looks absolutely perfect. Wanted to say I appreciate everybody for watching again. This one turned out amazing. Thanks. Turned out very, very nice. This is a 2024 Escalade Sport, Cadillac, 24-inch Vossen HF6-4s, and 35-inch Nitto Recon grappler. Turns out very nice. We did a 2.5-inch air ride lift on this one, which is essentially new sensors right here on the air ride. Raise and lower it. I think it turned out very nice. And I appreciate Trip for the business. This is Trip from Cruising Cowie to show that we're going to be doing here in a couple of weeks. This is his wife's car. You should be able to see this one in our booth or somewhere close to it at least during the show if you're coming by. It's June 1st at 9 o'clock in the morning at Noonan, Georgia. Cruising Coweta is at the Coweta County Fairgrounds. So come by and see us. We'll have a booth up there.